Alright guys, this is what it looks like off my kayak. As you can see, the whole lake is all surrounded by houses. Across the lake is Chesterfield County, and this hill, this is where I walk up to get to my house here in Richmond City. I'm in Richmond City and they are in Chesterfield County. If you look that way, if you goes that way down the lake, it will lead you to my brother's friend's house, and also keep on going, it will take you to Iron Bridge. And if you go towards that way, that's my favorite little girl Kenzie's house across the lake. And if you turn left when you go down that way and make a left, you'll keep on going. You'll head towards Hopkins, where the dam for the Falling Creek Reservoir is, and it crosses. And that's the road that crosses from Richmond City to Chesterfield. So let's go ahead and walk up my hill to get to my street. Now, walking up this hill is a challenge because the hill is such a big since this hill is on a very good slant. This hill is slanted, so it's very hard to walk up my street, walk up this hill, because walking up this hill will get you tired. Today's date is April 11th, 2017, sorry. This weekend is Easter Sunday, and we are planning to go to my grandpa's house to go check on him, because he's been in and out of the hospital ever since. And we're gonna go to Virginia Beach to check on my grandpa, because he's been having so many heart troubles. But anyways, we're almost getting up to my street, or end of the hill. Here we are. This is looking down the lake. And now, time to walk up my street. I've been living in this neighborhood ever since 1995, when I was born. And my neighborhood has changed a bit. But it's tight. For the past couple of years, we had people moving out and moving in. But our street is the same. It's nice and warm out here, but it's been hot this morning, today, when I was out working. And to tell you the truth, I'm not used to hot weather, but I make it through the day though. We do get some cool days now and then, but The white truck is my dad's work truck, where we used to pull our trailer for our landscaping business. And my brother, who has our 2005 Toyota Avalon, he's at work. He'll be back until 9:30. And that spot right there used to be where our GMC Suburban used to be, but last Christmas my brother got into a crash after Christmas, and we don't have that car anymore. Our Volvo, our other vehicle that we used to have, that got into an accident. Now that's gone. Now we only have the Avalon and our Ford diesel F350. But pretty soon this empty spot will be filled because my parents are getting another new car. So that will be, we're still deciding on it, but it'll soon be here. As you can see, our house hasn't changed all that much, but here's our Fleetwood pop-up camper that we have, and we yet to take it out on our camping trips because we do go camping sometimes. But here's the Fleetwood logo, and here's the left or right side of the camper where our door is, our grill that we use sometimes. And if we come back here, we do go to Virginia State Parks, and this is where we got a camper, Southern RV. And we come on to the right side. This is where we have our thing for the showers, water, where we put our electricity. There's our Carrier air conditioning that we use on when it's very hot outside. But sometimes it leaks, so we had to take care of that. Oh, okay, so I'm now going to end my video here and upload it to my favorite YouTube account from my house in Richmond. This is Jonathan Meyer, out of breath, and I'm out.